Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some chorizo and eggs. So let's get toasting. I've got some Don Juan chorizo sausage here, made by the New York Style Sausage Company, made in California. I bought this at the grocery outlet. This was, I think it was $4, $3.99 for a 1 pound, what do you call this, package of it. So I think what I'll do, take about a third of it there, and I'm just going to spread it out in the pan. Now you can make a patty out of it if you'd like to, but and I have done that. Sometimes I'll actually make a patty and just kind of eat it like a hamburger, put it on a bun or a English muffin or something. But I think I'm just going to spread it out like this, and then I'll just chop it up and add the eggs at the end when the sausage is cooked. So just going to spread it out thin like that. This is a 10-inch cast iron skillet. It fits perfectly in my toaster oven. So alright, that looks pretty good. That shouldn't take long to cook. Okay, we'll get that into the toaster oven. I have the oven rack in the center of the oven. This pan fits right in there. And this oven has an air fry setting, so I'm going to use that. Air fry is 425 degrees Fahrenheit. If your oven doesn't have that, I would just set your oven to 450 and use the bake setting. That should work fine. Shouldn't take that long for that sausage to cook. It's been about 12 minutes. I'm going to pull this out and chop it up and add the eggs. This smells good. You don't have to chop it up, but it's just how I'm going to do it. If you want to know the ingredients to the sausage, it is pork, water, paprika, salt, sugar, spices, and garlic. Kind of similar to the Portuguese linguiça sausage that I use sometimes. Alright, that's all chopped up. Add a couple eggs now. Alright. Get that back into the toaster oven. I'll just keep an eye on this until the eggs look cooked about the way I want them. It's been about 3 minutes. Let's see how these look. I think those are good. I'm going to season my eggs with a little bit of salt and a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. There we go. Alright, see how this turned out. I'll just eat it out of the pan. It's easier. My egg yolks are runny. That's good. That's how I wanted them. So sausage is browned up nicely. It all looks good. So let's just try a bite there. That's good. A little bit spicy, good flavor, but not too hot. This might be a little spicy for Annie. I'll just toss her a little piece and see what she thinks there. Well, she gobbled it up. So that's a pretty simple way to do that. I cooked the sausage for about 12 minutes and then the eggs for about 3, so about a 15-minute breakfast. Or it could be lunch or dinner or whatever meal you want. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.